Don't you just love some microwave dinners? Me too. I love heating up some nice old pizza. Maybe even eating it raw. Maybe put an uncooked hot dog on top to eat it with it. Yeah, basically. Anyways, we are playing some microwave dinner, and it seems fun, and I want to play it. So, yeah. Let's go. As we go into the game, I've definitely not played this game before, and anyways, we're gonna restart game. Yes. Let's do this. Yeah, that's because I have no friends. Anyways, let's play the game. Blue Fort Port. Wow. So we got a microwave. I mean a fridge. Why did I just call a fridge a microwave? What the? So there's a thingy. Oh, look here. Blue Fort Port. Here it is. That wasn't it. Never mind. Okay. Look at it. Oh, look nice. We've gotta go look for some chicken. Oh, what the? Oh, rookie ears. Oh, look at her. Oh, alright. I got this. Boom. Got it. Oh, what the? Bro, my face opens up kind of weird. Alright, let's go over. So, we gotta go collect some chicken over here. Oh, I'm speeding up. Wow, slow down. Hover. Shift. Oh, yeah, let's do it. Wow. I never realized you could hover in this game. You know? Come on! Yes. Okay, yes. Ow. Ow. Ah. 60. I need to go over there. Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? Can I ground pound? I cannot ground pound. Alright, just have like 10 more to go. So I'm gonna look for 10 more. Alright, 4 more. Oh! No! Ouch. 2 more, bro. 2 more, dude. Oh, wait. There's a chest up here. Hold up. I'm gonna see if I can, like, get it. Might be able to. We're gonna break these crates instead, I guess. Nothing inside. That was completely useless. Well, we cannot get out there. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute, bro. Can I, like, get up here? Not. I want 2 more. 2 more pieces. Oh, look at you. Wow. Boop. Boop. Oh, I have enough. Well, I'm gonna go over to that place now. Cause, like, yes. Oh, Hello there, chunkbot. Hey, another robot. A microwave robot. Well, you don't see that every day now, do ya? Anyways, I'm Junkbot. I make all sorts of stuff made from junk and scraps, so if you're looking for some upgrades, you come to the right place. If you can scrounge up 3 pieces of scrap, I can give you a movement upgrade. Ooh! I'll allow you to go so fast, I'll light your tires on fire. Well, it'll light your front tires on fire. So if you can get those 3 scraps, I can help you out. I'll be here if you need anything else. Alright, so I gotta look for 3 scraps. Where are 3 scraps? They just lay around. What is this? Find this hat ticket. What? What is this? Usually. What is this? A hat? Oh, my character's kind of in the way. A hat. Oh my god, I got a hat. Wow. Wow. How do I put it on, though? Outfits. Ah, shoot, bro. I keep forgetting how to do the dinghy. Boom. This is 60, so it's not like this. Area unlocked. I'll walk in now. Restaurants. Is that Blub or Bob? What? He X'd out the L. Ooh, that guy got a nice mustache. Hello there. Welcome to the restaurant. Thank you. Oh, a robot. A microwave robot. You must be here for a job. Go talk to Chef Blob. He's straight back in the kitchen. Oh yeah, I see kitchen. Hello there, sir. What do you need? Hi, I'm the chef of this restaurant. Too bad I'm not doing too much cooking because nobody will help me. Oh, help. Great. I need food for the soup. Get some and put it in that pot. I need lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Lettuce, chicken, a fish, and a carrot. Good luck. Wait, so lettuce, chicken, lettuce, and wait. Is there anything here? Look, there's a box glowing. Is there something up here? There's a box glowing. What is this? Can I like do something with this? Let's cook it. It's not cooking. What the? Why is this? Why is it glowing? Something's up here. I swear. Wait. Oh, never mind. It's the sign. Alright. Let's see this. Fishy. Fishy, fishy, fishy. Fishy, fishy. Oh, look at here. Oh, there's a fish there. Wait, that what I need? How do I get it? Oh, do I go upstairs? I think there's a room for it. Hold up. Let's go. I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna check it out. Ouchies. That really hurts. Oh, is it the crate? It is the crates. Of course we gotta break all the crates. Yeah. Nothing. Okay. So there's like, I can't jump in. Oh wait, never mind. I was like, I can't jump in, so like, oh no, come on, grab it. Hold up, I got this. Okay, well, that makes sense now. Hold up, I got this. Oh, come on. Ah. Oh, come on, bro. Yeah. Oh, I got it. Bruh. Oh, there we go, that makes sense. Rotate. I'm fidgeting a fish. Say hello to Bob. I'm gonna name him the Fishy. I like Fishy. Fishy friend. Fishy a bit dirty. So I'm gonna go clean him off. Come on, Fishy, let's go clean you off, Fishy. This is the tub right over here. At the cooking stove. That's it. It looks like, man, that wouldn't lie. Alright, I'm gonna go Fishy. Wait. Fishy. Fishy! Oh, there's a lever over here. Look at this. I found lever. Dive. Oh, look, it's a divey thing. Oh, when I wanna explore this more. Yeah, look. There's lettuce. Oh, I'm just that good. Boy, it's gonna be so easy. Yeah, I cannot put this. Oh, there's some chicken over here. So it's in it's the chicken. Oh, chicken. Hear me. I have the chicken, and I am rotating it. I'm kind of hungry now. Look at this chicken. Oh, there we go. So now we're looking for a carrot. Hold up. I have an idea. Box over here, just like over here. And it kept telling me about the crashing. So we need this. Let's go. Nice, you finished collecting everything for the soup. Go talk to Chef Blob. Nice. Whee! Whoa, you got everything. Thanks. This is going to be a delicious soup. Everyone will love it. But did you put Mr. Bones, the restaurant's pet? Is this a microwave meal? Oh, I love this. Got a microwave dinner. You got a microwave dinner. Take this to the FridgeBot power core where it can be used as fuel. Collect enough to upgrade FridgeBot and unlock new world. Oh wow. Let's go. Enter. Inside FridgeBot. So we put it somewhere. Where do we put it? What was this? Fuel? Upgrade. Power 4. Upgrade fail. Insufficient fuel. This next upgrade requires 2 microwave. Oh, okay. Well. How long of it's been on this recording for? 22 minutes. You know, I don't want too much to edit away. So, I mean, like, I'll make a part 2 of this. Tell me if you guys enjoy it down like the comments basically, so that I know if I should do this again. Because this is a really fun game. I should definitely do it more. And when YouTube verifies me, I can make longer videos of this. I love you all. In a friendly way. Bye bye.